Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, August 31st, 2021, and we are in the aftermarket. We are looking at Vinco Ventures Inc. with the ticker symbol BBIG. So earlier today we talked about the short squeeze that was occurring with this stock, and as you can see, it went literally from a negative to positive 15.44%, which is, I would say, 16%. After hours, it actually ran up to about $8.40, and since then it's dropped down a little bit to $8.14. But if we jump over to stock tweets, we would see that this is actually one of the leading trending tickers on stock tweets, and second is Workhorse Group with the ticker symbol WKHS. On stock tweets, you can also see other ticker symbols which are trending, and I use this just as a gauge of interest in any stock in which I am invested in. So BBIG is number one, so that means there's a lot of interest already, and that means that the price action would be quite interesting. The other thing that these rankings of the trending stocks on stock tweets informs me about is that the word is out there. People know about BBIG, and the more people know about the stock, then the more effective the short squeeze can be. So if we jump over to Google, we can also see the price movement that occurred today, and if we do the 5-day chart, we would see that BBIG Vinco Ventures Inc. is up 165% over the past 5 days. That is a very healthy and nice return for those who have held the stock that long. Now, going into tomorrow is a mixed basket. We don't know what to expect. After hours, the stock ran very nicely, and then it dropped to minus 0.47% after hours. So the current price right now is about $8.10-11. So there is no telling about what this stock is gonna be doing tomorrow when the market opens. So I would advise to keep a very close watch on the pre-market. Today the volume has been 182 million, and the average volume is usually about 23 million shares. So tomorrow I expect there to be quite a big movement in the price, and it's anyone's guess, but I wouldn't be surprised if this goes to about 10, 11, why not $15 tomorrow. So let's get ready and we see how this goes. Good luck for all those holding. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing some interesting stocks I find on the internet with you guys, but I think BBIG still has a lot up its sleeves. Good luck, and see you guys in the pre-market.